the natural stone. Stone backsplash. And the stone countertop here. Double island. I like it because this is more of the functional bar for prep, and then this is where everybody hangs out and eats. They did a good job. I'm impressed with this.
All right, let's check out the dining room.
Ooh, beautiful. Do all the houses have this arched door, or was this something they put in?
They definitely put in the arch.
Wow. I think this is beautiful, especially look at that mountain peak right there.
Yeah.
The arch. This is perfect for that mountain peak. I like that they put a chandelier. I think it works really well.
All right, the living room.
Ah, I like.
Do you like the fireplace and the stone wall?
I find it interesting that it's actually not the same stone. So over there, it's a large format cornerstone block, and over here, it's a smaller format, almost the same color. So I do like it, because I think if they had used the exact same stone over here as well, it would have been too much.
What do you think of the beams?
I love a faux beam. I think if the beams weren't there, the wood would just be this big, massive wood floor on the ceiling, and it would be exactly what was down here. So I think adding those beams broke it up a little bit, and it also was a really great way to separate this living dining area.
First house down, we're on to the next.
Yep. All right, let's do it.